Welcome. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to enable the fingerprint lock on WhatsApp and set it to activate after 1 minute. This feature adds an extra layer of security, ensuring your chats remain private. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top right corner. You'll see 3 vertical dots. Tap on them. This will open a drop-down menu. From here, select Settings. Now that you're in the Settings menu, tap on Privacy. This is where all your privacy-related options are located. Scroll down until you find the option labeled App Lock. Tap on it to proceed. Once inside the App Lock settings, you'll see a toggle switch for Unlock with Biometric. Turn this option on. At this point, WhatsApp will prompt you to confirm your fingerprint. Place your finger on the sensor to complete the verification process. After confirming your fingerprint, you'll be presented with timing options for when the app should lock automatically. Select after 1 minute. This ensures that if you leave WhatsApp idle for more than a minute, it will require your fingerprint to unlock again. And that's it! You've successfully enabled the fingerprint lock feature and set it to activate after 1 minute of inactivity. Now, every time you step away from WhatsApp for a while, your chats will stay secure until you unlock them with your fingerprint. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. See you in the next video.